Glenn, how you doing? It's the King Daddy Master coming at you from atop of the world-famous Amboy crater. That's the town of Amboy off in the distance there. I'm coming at you with the official rocket update. I talked to Mike on the phone earlier, and he told me that the actuator, which malfunctioned on the launch date, was reordered, and it was the wrong piece. He has sent it back. He'll be out here on Monday or Tuesday to reinforce the rocket ramp. There are some problems with the ramp, and I have watched the ramp evolve from last November until now. He's done a lot of work on it. So, that's about it. No launch this weekend. King Daddy Master out. This is an update to the update. We are experiencing high winds. We are in the middle of a Mojave Desert windstorm. We are having winds in excess of 50 miles per, possibly 70-mile-an-hour gusts. The wind is blowing very, very hard. The cockpit door has blown off. The bolts that held it in place, the heads of the bolts have just snapped. I have used duct tape and taped the door back on, and it is holding fast. Other than that, I can see no damage on the rocket. The tarp has torn off. It is impossible to fasten the tarp at this time. The wind is blowing too hard. That's about it. I am expecting Mad Mike to show up tomorrow at 9 a.m. to start work reinforcing the motorhome and working on the rocket ramp. If I'm allowed to, I will bring you some updates of him working on the rocket and possible statement and interview. But we'll see. We have to talk about things, and apparently there's been a bunch of internet drama that I am completely unaware of because I am cut off from the world here at this location. I have no internet, I have no phone, I have nothing except misery right now with these high winds, and if this rocket ramp is going to come crashing down through this motorhome and kill me. Can you hear that? I've gotten used to it after 2 days. King Daddy Master out.